With nearly 300 days of sunshine a year here in Phoenix, solar power is just one more way that we've focused on energy efficiency. Our parking structure now features over 80 255-watt solar panels, which work in conjunction with even more panels on our facility roof. Harnessing the power of natural energy helps us reduce our carbon footprint, provides clean energy to power our production facilities, sales offices, and showrooms. Not to mention shaded parking for our customers. These impact-resistant panels come standard with a 10-year warranty, ensuring an investment that will power our office for decades to come. With enough output to keep our offices cool, even in the summer, come visit us and see for yourself. We'll even save you a covered spot.